And here comes the captain. Everybody is in position. Having been through such turbulent times, a moment to savour for Rangers Football Club. Onwards and upwards. This comeback tour has only just begun. They are Rangers, and they are champions again. As a manager, the sort of stuff managers shouldn't have to go through. It's a special moment for Lee McCulloch, Rangers fan, now their captain, now their title-winning captain.
Yeah, you need leadership off the field. I think Ally McCoist has given Rangers that. You can talk about performances all you like, but I think he is Rangers' biggest asset at the moment off the park.